Worx WG263E is a lightweight and compact cordless hedge trimmer. It uses a Worx Nitro brushless motor, and that means more power, longer runtime and less maintenance, resulting in a 30% increased cutting rate. The 263E has a long 57cm laser-cut dual-action blade, giving a precise cutting action but with reduced vibration. It has a 27mm cutting diameter, and that means you'll be cutting through 2.5cm thick branches with ease. There's a dual safety switch, which requires you to use both hands to power up, and this prevents accidental starting. A transparent handguard shields your hands as you work, while still providing a clear view of your cutting area. A soft grip handle allows you to position your hands as you need them, high, low or angled, giving you easy and accurate trimming without tiring you out. The 263E is a well-balanced, lightweight and ergonomic hedge trimmer, but with all the benefits of a Nitro brushless motor. The WG263E comes with the transparent handguard and the front handle already fitted, so there's nothing you need to do other than remove the blade protector and fit a PowerShare battery. You're ready to get trimming. To start the trimmer, pull upwards on the orange switch on the front handle and at the same time pull up on the orange power switch on the rear handle. You cannot start the trimmer without using both of these switches simultaneously, which will prevent you from an accidental start. As a general rule, start at the bottom of the hedge and cut upwards. Try to use a long sweeping motion of the blades. You'll also find that a slight tilt of the blade downwards in the direction of your movement will give you the best cutting results. Change your hold on the front handle to get your hands and arms into a comfortable cutting position. This will give you both more cutting accuracy and reduce the strain on your arms. Allow the blades to reach full speed before you start cutting. And if a branch is too thick and gets jammed in the blade, stop the trimmer immediately. To remove any jammed debris in the blades, first make sure that you release both switches on the trimmer before trying to remove the debris. We recommend that you use ear and eye protection whilst using the hedge trimmer, and for those thorny or prickly hedges, a pair of gardening gloves would be sensible too. The WG263E trimmer has a Nitro brushless motor, a 57cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This is a powerful model with excellent runtime. The WG261E is a cordless hedge trimmer with a 45cm blade and a 16mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This is a lightweight and well-balanced trimmer, ideal for smaller gardens. The WG264E is an ergonomic trimmer with a 56cm blade and a 20mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This model is suitable for small to medium-sized gardens. The WG284E has dual PowerShare batteries for more power, a long 60cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a dual safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model is a workhorse, ideal for medium to large sized gardens. The WG286E has a Nitro brushless motor, a 61cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, a handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model has exceptional performance and is a powerhouse for the larger garden. The WG252E is a cordless pole trimmer. It has an adjustable extension pole, 10 adjustable head angles, a 180-degree rotating rear handle and a soft grip handle with a supporting shoulder strap. This is an ergonomic model to help you reach those tall hedges without the need for a ladder. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.